My name is Michael Benben, and today I'll be going over one of the problems from our calculus textbook. I'm in Calculus 2000 and we'll be going over number 92 from chapter 4.8. Chapter 4.8 covers antiderivatives. Now what an antiderivative is the reverse of a function's derivative. So we are going to originally be given a derivative and we are going to reverse that by integrating and finding its antiderivative with a point that is also provided to us. Now before finding the antiderivative, in the question we are given what's here in black, which is dy dx of 10 minus x, which we'll be finding the antiderivative of, and we're given a point on the antiderivative of this derivative, which is y of 0 is equal to -1. So our first step is here in red, where we're going to multiply dx over to the other side, and we're going to have the integral of dy is equal to the integral of 10 minus x dx. With this new setup here in red, we're going to find the integral. So first you can integrate this step by step. One of the rules that we have is that whenever you have a addition or subtraction function inside an integral and you're finding the antiderivative, you can independently find the antiderivative of each and add them together. So the antiderivative of 10 is going to be 10x, and the antiderivative of x is going to be 1/2 x squared. And of course we need to add c at the end of our antiderivative. And now we'll be moving on to the next part, which is here in the blue, where we're going to plug in the points that were given of the antiderivative. The points 0, -1 are going to allow us to find the value of c, so that we can find what the antiderivative is at this specific point. So by plugging in -1 for y and 0 for y of x, we end up finding that 10 times 0 is 0, and 1/2 times 0 squared is also 0, so we end up having that c is equal to -1. Down here in green, we now plug in c to get the final antiderivative at this point. So we have y is equal to 10x minus 1/2 x squared minus 1. And just to reorganize it and make it look a little bit better with the exponents in order, the final answer is y is equal to -1/2 x squared plus 10x minus 1. And that is number 92 from chapter 4.8, antiderivatives.